Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Chemistry for Beginners. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will discuss about coordinate covalent bond. Today we will discuss what is covalent bond and what are the properties of coordinate covalent bond. This is the third type of bonding, as I already discussed about ionic bond and covalent bond in detail. Today we will discuss about coordinate covalent bond. First, we will go for a definition. The bond which is formed between complete transfer of electron pair from one atom to another is known as coordinate covalent bond. First thing we must keep in mind about this bond is that in this bond a complete transfer of electron pair take place. Like in the previous bond, in the ionic bond, we see we saw that ionic bond is formed by the complete transfer of one electron from one atom to another atom, and in covalent bond we saw that covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electron. But in coordinate covalent bond, the bond is formed by a complete share of from one atom to another. In this in this bond, one atom is act as a receptor and one pair is act as a donor. Another name of this bond is known as dative covalent bond or dipolar bond. In this bond, both electrons came from the same atom. This is the most important thing in this bond. Both the electron that will used in the formation of bond are came from the same atom. This bond is usually formed between ligands and metal. Ligands are those molecules which have a extra lone pair in their molecules, and metals, most of the metals have electron deficient and they have capability to accommodate the incoming electrons. Similarly, as with any covalent bond, the coordinate covalent bond is after bond formation relocate electron to fulfill the octet rule. But uh, after the formation of coordinate covalent bond, this bond pair is localized in all the shells of electron, all the shells of atom, and complete the octet of that element or that atom which receive that electron pair from the donor atom. We can say that hydrogen is a typical exemption for the octet rule. Rather than hydrogen is unable, because hydrogen belong to period number 1 of periodic table, and in period elements of period number 1 has only one shell, so they can accommodate only two electrons. So there are two types of rules are used for the completion of outermost shell. One is octet rule, another one is duplet rule. In octet rule, elements have to complete 8 electron in their outermost shell, and in duplet rule, elements have to complete 2 electron in their outermost shell. So we can say that in the periodic table, hydrogen and helium obeys duplet rule. And now we will go for a characteristics of coordinate covalent bond. First thing, the atom which share the electron pair is known as donor. In coordinate covalent bond, though that atom which which will share their electron pair to other atoms is known as donor, and the atom or molecule which accepts or receive the electron pair from the donor is known as acceptor or electron deficient. This bond is always formed between different atoms. This bond cannot form between the same atom. This is also the most important thing. This bond is always formed between different atoms. This bond is always formed between electrophile and nucleophile. Electrophile is a species that is electron loving species, and nucleophile is a species that is nucleus loving species. Nucleophile attack on positive part of the any molecule, and electrophile needs electron. Coordinate covalent bond formed due to Lewis theory of bonding. We can say that coordinate covalent bond follow Lewis theory of bonding. This bond is always represented by an arrow. The arrowhead is from donor to acceptor. This shows that donor donate its lone pair or extra electrons to a electron deficient atom. The compound formed by coordinate covalent bond has low boiling and melting point as compared to ionic bond, but has high melting and boiling point as compared to uh, covalent bond. If we compare the melting and boiling point of these compounds with other compound like ionic compounds and covalent compound, these compound has low melting and boiling point as compared to ionic compounds, but have high melting and boiling point as compared to covalent compound. Some coordinate the compound which have coordinate covalent bonds are known as coordinate covalent compounds. These compound also shows the property of isomerism. Sharing of electron happen in a distinct ways. Subsequently, this bond is a directional bond. We can say that this bond is a directional bond because electron always move from a nucleophile to electrophile. This bond is considered as a weaker bond than ionic bond. As I already discussed in the above point, ionic bond the melting and boiling point of coordinate covalent compound is less as compared to ionic bond, so we can say that this bond is weaker bond than the ionic bond. These compounds normally exist in liquids and gases. This compound the state of this compound is liquid and gases. Today's topic is coordinate covalent bond. If you like our video, then please press the like button and share with your friend. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for to get notification for the incoming videos. Inshallah, I will come back with a new topic. Stay with us. Thank you.